This link is highlighted under a red color box, which means it cannot be used as a backlink, but this link is not highlighted, so you can use it as a backlink. Hey all viewers, this is Harish from Digital Marketing Hub. When it comes to off-page SEO, backlinking plays a major role in it. So what is backlinking? Backlinking is linking your website with the other website while writing a blog post or writing your article. So if you ask me whether backlinking is very much important or is it necessary to do backlinking, I would say absolutely yes, because Google loves backlinking, and if you are doing a proper and good backlinking in your website, Google ranks your website at the top of search results. So in order to rank your website in the top of search result, you have to do a quality backlinking. It's not like you can take any link and link it in your website so that Google recognizes your website. No, it's not like that. So here I want to explain you that there are two types of backlinks. One is no follow backlink and another one is do follow backlink. The no follow backlink will not provide any value to your website. If you add no follow backlinks to your website, it will not improve your website ranking. But instead, if you provide do follow backlinks to your website, it will add value to your website and it will improve your website ranking. So today in this video, I am going to show you some of the methods how you can check whether the link is a do follow link or a no follow link, and then you can add it to your website so that it increases your value. And if you are still watching this video and if you like this content, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump into the tutorial. So there are two methods to identify whether it is a no follow link or a do follow link. So let me explain you the first method now. So let me open this article. Now you can see that this is an article, and if you are willing to backlink this article, before that you have to perform this method to check whether it is a no follow or a do follow website. So to do that, you have to right click from your Chrome browser and you can see an option called view page source, and there is also a shortcut Control U for this. So let me click view page source and it will be showing all the source code of this page. So in this page you have to give a command Control F. In Windows it is Control F. In iMac it is Command F. After this box pops up, you have to type no follow. And one more important thing is that you should not leave any space between no and follow. It should be continuous no follow. So after you type this, you can see that three search appearances are coming. So one is here and the next one is below that and one more no follow. So now you can clearly see that there are a lot of no follow commands in this website, so you cannot use this link to your website. So if you backlink this website with your website, it will not add any value. So let us search another website then. So let us choose the first result. So this is another article. So let me click this. So now let us check whether this article has no follow or do follow links. So let me right click and click on view page source and let me give a command Control F. So now you can see that after we entered no follow, there is no search result appeared here. So this website is a do follow website, so we can use it for backlinking. So if it is 0 and there is no follow command, that means it is a do follow website. So there will not be any command like do follow. Let me check. So now if you write do follow, there will not be any search appearance because there is no such word in the source code. Either it should be no follow. If no follow is not highlighted, then this website is eligible to backlink. So this is what you have to understand here. So this is the first method. Now let us see the second method. So to perform the second method, you will need to download the Chrome extension no follow. So I will give you the link of this extension in the description below so that it will be very easy for you to access. You can see that already 1 lakh users are using this, so it is a trustable extension, so don't worry about it. So I have already installed this extension in my Chrome browser. Now let us see how it works. So this is my website arishenactus.com. I'll scroll down and choose a blog post. Now you can see that in this blog post a link is highlighted in red color, which is a no follow link. So wherever the no follow link appears, so here also you can see that 2 links are highlighted in red color. So apart from this 1, 2 and 3 links, all the other links are do follow links, and here is 1. So 4 no follow links are in my article, and here is number 5, which is a no follow link. So around 5 no follow links are in my article. So this link is a do follow link, so it is not highlighted red. So this extension will be very useful for you to identify instantly whether it is a no follow link or a do follow link. And I will recommend you to use both the methods before you want to decide whether you want to use that link on your article or not. Before doing a backlink, it is always best that you use all these two methods so that you will be 100% sure whether it is a no follow or a do follow link. If you find this video helpful, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for the upcoming videos. I'll see you in the next interesting video. This is Harish from Digital Marketing Hub.